Hello everybody, Photojunky here from Photojunky's Drone Zone. In this video I am going to be unboxing a drone I've been waiting a whole week for. Well, you know the saying, if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Well, it was. It was too good to be true in this case. I examined the drone pretty thoroughly, and right away, I saw grass coming out of a motor. That's not good. I saw there was grass stuck in a sensor, a couple little gouges, and the nail in the coffin was the missing button from the remote control. So, come on, seller. Yeah, you got to mention these things. I didn't even look and see if it only had 14 hours. At this point, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to send it back. And to anybody who ever sends anything back through eBay, don't arrange with the person, the seller, to send it back through them. Always communicate through eBay, and that way eBay has a record of everything, every transaction, every conversation you have. So when you go to the post office, you get your tracking number, you enter your tracking number, they know exactly when the package arrives. Usually they're pretty good with the buyer. Usually they side with the buyer. That's what I generally hear, and from my experience, that's true. I've had two things I sold people, and I know there was nothing wrong with them, but they wanted to return them, so they made up something. And anyway, so live and learn. Back to square one, trying to get another good drone. I might have to spend the money and get a new one. I was trying to get a good used one, but what can you do? Thanks for watching.